Good morning, everyone. Hello, I am Sanjay Rampal, and you are watching PPT News. On our channel, you will find the latest and most important news of the district every morning. If you want to get information about every news at the right time, then subscribe to our channel and stay connected. We are always dedicated to presenting the latest news to you. So come know the about today major news. District administration started preparation for Republic Day celebrations. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma held a meeting of district officials. On the occasion of Republic Day, district level functions will be celebrated in the new Green Market Complex. District level Republic Day celebration will be organized at the Dadri headquarters and subdivision level at Padda. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma held a meeting of district officials regarding the preparations for the event and issued guidelines. The Deputy Commissioner said that this is the first meeting regarding the preparations. In the meeting, the responsibilities to be given to various departments of the administration have been discussed. All departments will have to give information about participations on Republic Day along with their action plan. The responsibilities of nodal officer for the function has been assigned to Additional Deputy Commissioner Vishwajit Chaudhary. The departments and institutions taking out tax box will be have provide complete details. National Lok Adalat will be organized in the district court premises on March 8. Pending cases will be settled by mutual consult. For the speedy disposal of cases pending in the district courts, National Legal Services Authority and Haryana State Legal Services Authority will organize National Lok Adalat in the district court premises on March 8. The concerned parties can settle their cases by themselves or through their advocates for reconciliation in the court. Secretary of District Legal Services Authority Sanjeev Kazla said that National Lok Adalat will be organized in the district on March 8 by National Legal Services Authority and Haryana State Legal Services Authority to settle the cases pending in the court through mutual cooperation and cordial means. He said that if any person has a case pending in the court, then he can get it selected through Lok Adalat. In Lok Adalat, the dispute is selected by mutual consent and compromise of both the parties in cordial environment with the consent of the parties. This provides benefits like quick and easy justice, no appeal, final settlement, saving of time. He confirmed that cases related to bank loan, motor accident, NI Act, criminal revenue, material disputes will be settled in the National Lok Adalat. The Secretary informed that Lok Adalat are proving to be very effective in cases which can be resolved by mutual cases. In the decision given in Lok Adalat is as important as decision given in the normal court. An appeal cannot be filed against the decision given in Lok Adalat. Sasta and easy justice is available in Lok Adalat. Through this National Lok Adalat, people cases are resolved without wasting time and money. In National Lok Adalat, neither any party loses nor which rather disputes are resolved by mutual consent of the both parties. Deputy Commissioner orders to remain alert regarding HMPV. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma has instructed the Health Department to remain alert regarding HMP virus and has said that all preparations should be made in the district hospital as per the instruction of the government. Also, all doctors should pay special attention to the patients coming to the OPD. The Deputy Commissioner has said that 17%, 80% of the people suffering from this virus recover on their own. According to doctors, this disease can be avoided by adopting cough etiquette. Till now, there are only 8 cases in India. Whole country, there is no a single case in Haryana. He said that along with creating isolation wards in general hospitals, instruction have been given doctors to take precautions. Children below 5 years of age and equally people up 16 years of including those suffering from serious diseases need to be carefully about this disease. Also, the disease does not spread if any social distancing is followed and a handkerchief is used while surging and coughing. Under the Swachh Survey program, the Nagar Parishad is raising a cleanliness campaign various wards of the city. In this series, the Swachh Survey program is going on in various wards of the city. In collaboration with the Nagar Parishad, the Sham Waste Management Private Limited is going to the wards and making people aware about separating wet and dry garbage and putting in the garbage wheel under cleanliness. Under the campaign, people are being given details information about cleanliness and garbage management. Along with this, on the occasion of cleanliness, people are also being served in to keep their surroundings clean. On the occasion of the campaign, small children are also being included. They are also being taught about cleanliness and detail. In the school too, the Nagar Parishad is teaching the children were on the subject of solid waste management. In this activity, Jyoti Sharma, the Swachh Bharat Mission in charge from the Nagar Parishad, is giving detailed information. Door-to-door campaigns are being run. The general public is also cooperating in this campaign. Nagar Parishad Sanitation Inspector Rajesh Kumar and Swachh Bharat Mission District in charge Jyoti Sharma said that under the campaign, cleaning drives are also being run in various wards. This campaign will continue to make the general public aware to get better ranking in cleanliness, in which more and more people are being made aware. So for disposed garbage in provided in number 20, 21 and 19, this city residents are putting defense garbage in the vehicle which are compatible. On this occasion, this sanitation inspector and Swachh Bharat district in charge congratulated the people and called upon them to join the campaign in the same way in future and make the dream of Swachh Bharat a reality. Under this fortnight, information about cleanliness is being given to the city residents. Under the campaign, people are being provided details information about the proper disposal of garbage and cleanliness. Problem of common people are being resolved immediately in Samadhan camp. Information about the action taken on every complaint received in the Samadhan camp should also be given to the concerned citizen that do not have come to camp again and again. Also, action should be taken promptly on complaints. As per the instruction of Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini and Haryana government and under the guidance of Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma, the district administration is taking immediate cognizance of the complaints of the general public in the auditorium of the mini secretariat under the chairmanship of SDM Naveen Kumar and City Masses Sangwan and ensuring immediate resolution of the problem. Of Budwar heard the problems of the citizen in the Samadhan camp and provided relief to the citizen by resolving their problems on the spot with the priority given necessary guidelines to the officers and solution of many problems. He said that information about the action taken on every problem should also be given to the concerned citizen, thanks to the note to come in the camp again. He said these camps are proving effective in quick resolution of the problem of the public. A Samadhan cell has also been formed by the Haryana government, which aims to streamline to grievance redressal process, promote resolution to people's problems in complaint is to being documented with the complaints PPPID, the concerned department, and the details of the complaint. He called upon the citizen of the district to bring their written complaints to the Samadhan camp being organized by the district administration on every working day between 10 a.m. and 12 noon of problems. Their complaints will be promptly attended to. Thank you for tuning in the watching PPT News. If you even have not subscribed yet, don't forget to the subscribe button and stay updated with the latest news. Your support means a lot to us and we are committed to bring you the best news every day. Stay connected and we will see you in the next update in a great day. Take care. Bye. See ya. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.